In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budgets in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step in tracking your budgets using Asana is to set up a dedicated budget project. So start by logging into your Asana dashboard. Once you're in, look for the plus sign. This is your gateway to creating a new project. Go ahead and click on it, then select New Project. Now, it's important to give your project a clear and specific name. For instance, you might call it something like Marketing Budget Tracker, as this helps you and your team stay organized and focused. Next, you'll want to choose a layout that works best for your team. Asana offers both a list and a board view. Pick the one that suits your working style better. Once your project is created, you'll need to define some categories to help break down your spending. Think about key areas you want to track. This might include personnel costs, tools and software, or marketing expenses. By categorizing your budget, you'll gain valuable insights into where your money is going. With your project and categories set up, let's move on to using custom fields for data management. The first custom field you'll want to add is for the budgeted amount. Click on the appropriate settings to create a new custom field. Choose the number type and name it Budgeted Amount. This will help you set clear financial goals for each category. Next, you'll create another custom field for tracking your actual spending. Label this one Actual Spend. This comparison between your budgeted amounts and what you actually spend is crucial for keeping your finances in check, as it allows you to see discrepancies at a glance. Now that you have your fields ready, it's time to manage your budget tasks effectively. For each individual expense, create a task, like software subscription, for example. This is where the real tracking will take place. Make sure to assign these tasks to the relevant team members who will be responsible for that aspect of the budget. It's also a good idea to set due dates for these tasks. Treating them like financial checkpoints will keep everyone accountable. Additionally, Asana allows you to attach documentation directly to each task. If you get invoices or receipts for any of your expenses, upload these directly into the attachment section. This keeps everything organized and easily accessible for future reference. Finally, reviewing and adjusting your budget is key to your tracking success. I recommend scheduling regular check-ins. Consider doing this weekly to monitor the budgeted amount versus actual spend. This not only helps you catch discrepancies early, but also empowers you to make timely adjustments to your spending as needed. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively track your budget in Asana. Make sure your team stays on the same page by using custom fields, detailed tasks, and regular reviews. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Happy budgeting, and I'll see you in the next video.